All right, today we're going to be looking at angle relationships that are formed when we have two parallel lines cut by a transversal. So this line going through them, that is called the transversal. And I also want to point out these little arrows here, those are indicating that this line and this line are parallel, meaning they'll continue on forever but never meet. In terms of markings, if we were to have another set or another parallel line here, and we wanted to say that these two lines are parallel and these two lines are parallel, what we would do is use two little arrows to show that. So I'm going to erase that because we don't really want that. But I just wanted to make sure that marking was clear. Okay, so when we cut two parallel lines or multiple parallel lines with a transversal, a few different angle relationships are formed. So we've got alternate interior angles. Alternate meaning they're on different sides of that transversal, and interior meaning that they're inside these parallel lines. So one set of alternate interior angles is angle C and angle F. So that's one pair. Another pair that we have is angle E and angle D. And it's important to note that alternate interior angles are congruent, meaning they have the same measures. Ran out of room there. We also have alternate exterior angles. And the difference there is still they're on opposite sides of the transversal, but they're on the exterior of the transversal. So angle H is an alternate exterior angle with angle A. And then angle B is an alternate exterior angle with angle G. So I'm just going to label this again, make sure we know these two are the interior, and then these two are the exterior. All right, big thing to note with those, congruent pairs. Okay, corresponding angles. We have these four angles here that are formed when the lines cross. Corresponding means that they are in the same position, but on the other line. So what we have here, let's go ahead and write, they are congruent. And I'm just going to put they're in the same position on a different line. So one pair we have is angle B and angle F. We also have angle A and angle E. Angle C and angle G. And angle D and angle H. Running out of room down here. All right. So the last side, or the last ones, are same side interior and same side exterior angles. So I'm going to set this up a little bit better than I did the first one. So same side, as opposed to alternate, means they're on the same side of the transversal. So something to note, if we know that angle B and angle F, which are corresponding angles, are congruent, we also know they're on a linear pair here with D. So B and D are a linear pair, meaning they're going to add up to 180. If we know that B is equal to F, we also know that D is equal to H, which means we also know that F and D are going to add up to 180, meaning they're supplementary. So same side interior or exterior angles are supplementary. So one set that we have, interior, inside the parallel lines, we have D and F. So angle D plus angle F equals 180. Then we have angle C and angle E. So angle C plus angle E equals 180. Those are our interior angles. For our exterior angles, angle A and angle G, that equals 180. And angle B plus angle H also equals 180. I'm going to change some signs here. These, where it says and, those should all be congruent signs on the interior, alternate interior, and the corresponding angles. But so those are our relationships there. I hope that helps, and have a lovely day.